Hi guys, and welcome to Super Metallurgy. Hi guys, today I'm in Manila at Carporn Racing again. So let's have a look around the office, and I'll show you a few things in here and the showroom, and then we'll go outside, we'll have a look at some of the cars, and then we've got a special day with a 1966 Mustang which has been renovated and is all ready to rock and roll. And then also 12C McLaren, which is been converted into a long tail and is all in carbon fibre with exposed bodywork. So let's have a look around. Okay, so we're up in the showroom upstairs, so you can see all these winning trophies. It's an endurance challenge and another endurance, so first runner-up, and wow, it's amazing. So in here is where people come in, and you can see me in the mirror over here. Even got car games for the staff and for people to play with. Huge selection of amazing wheels, really nice stuff. I mean, the gold looks awesome on that wheel, and the black sort of I was going to say Porsche wheel, but actually I'm not sure. I think that's for a Mustang. Looks really good. More trophies everywhere, really cool stuff. And then you can see Angie in the photo in a race suit, in racing away, and sort of photos of all of these cool cars. So Angie's Ferrari. This is the owner and the inventor of RWB for the body kits that go onto the Porsche, like this one, like Noah, which I featured last time, and Victoria. And then Angie in a race car. Just trophies everywhere, so much stuff. And then some really cool gear being sold. And look at this chest set, phenomenally cool. So the seats, carbon fibre, leather, part of a gearbox with all the cogs on, and then you've got a spring and every single part of this chest set, spark plugs, lifters, you've got everything. So cool, real work of art. And then some of the cars in here she's done, just more trophies. These are from the Ferrari that she races, which is the Ferrari, I think it's the Ferrari Challenge series. And then more gear over here. Wheels have been converted with crankshafts and lots of other cool kit. So AccuAir lift kit here, which they use on the RWBs. And you can see the airbags for the suspension over here. Really cool. And then this is just wicked. Look at this table. So glass table on top, V8 down below. How cool is that? With piston rings holding it up in the air. Okay, so we've got a Dodge Challenger here. Charger even, sorry, Challenger. See, I know so much about this. So, Dodge Charger. Check these wheels out. Awesome wheels. The bodywork is just stunning. You probably can't understand how long this thing is. How long is it? You know?
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's
probably 20 feet.
Yes, about 20 feet long. Stunning.
A good old muscle, carbureted, and it's got maybe like 440 horsepower.
Yeah, beautiful car. Everything is just perfect on it, as you can see.
I love how the lights fold in. So, and it runs on an air system, so it actually takes a while for it to open the lid up. Let me see if I can.
Do they go up at the same time? I'll show you the interior in a second. Is that a key? Not yet. Might need the engine. Is it vacuum driven?
Yeah, you can see the lights.
Yeah. Really cool car. So these covers will actually lift up. They're on a vacuum system. They rise up, but very slowly. But this apparently is now going to be a daily driver, so it's got a little bit more to do. But you can see, she's stunning. All done at Angie's workshops in the provinces. And apparently you can tell the age of this car because of the lights, because it doesn't have that long bar that comes across instead for the tail lights. But really, really beautiful. Great tyres as well. Have a quick look inside. A brief look. Yeah, impeccable. Really, really lovely in here. It's got that great old car smell. Look at these door cars. That Charger emblem in the centre. These huge gauges. Awesome. Beautiful car. There's loads more stuff in this workshop. So you can see still the Mercedes that you saw last time. Noah, just over here. She's having a little bit of work done. So sitting very low. It's on air suspension. So she's flat on the floor at the moment. Engine's having a few bits and pieces done and a new rear aerofoil. But you can see how low. Look at those tyres. Wow. Awesome. She's beautiful. Okay, so we're in the workshop at the moment, and this is the Black Manta. So this is an all carbon fibre Corvette. She's just ticking over, sounding mean. So the bodywork is all completely 100% carbon fibre everywhere. She's pretty loud, and it's pretty hot in here. Manila's about 32 degrees today. Let's go down and have a look around. You can see there's a 720 over there. Audi, 67 Mustang. I think a Porsche. It looks like a Yellowbird, but I'm not sure if it is. So let's have a look. Got some nice HRE wheels on this. So this is the new 720. Look at those for brakes. Wow, what a piece of kit. It's beautiful. HRE lightweight wheels, so this is going to help with the unsprung mass on each corner. Saves quite a lot of weight. Audi R8, Spider, 67 Mustang, I think. Yeah, she's lovely. 67 Mustang. That's nice. Porsche, that looks like a C. Yeah, Porsche. Looks like a turbo. Can't tell from the covers. Yeah, I think it's a rough CTR, I think, but we need to confirm that. Look at the inside. So quilted leather, yellow stitching, Momo wheel. Having a bit of work done. Pretty car though. It's got nice black surrounds around the headlights. Mean stance on these cars, and they've gone up in value. 964 is a really nice car, and it's really the last of the air-cooled, but mean-looking machine. This I showed last time. It's beautiful. This has had so much work done. So this is an original Ford Thunderbird. Look at the lines. Just don't see lines like that these days. Old BMW 5 Series, shark nose. Another vet over here. Subaru STI. That is a Hong Kong. That's a Hong Kong taxi with a V8. That's awesome. Okay, so it's been set up for racing. Pretty cool to see. Nice carbon back seat. Nice carbon dashboard. Beautiful red paintwork, really looks great. Nice. Corvette in a million pieces with a nice carbon roof. Look at that carbon work. Wow. Really lovely roof. Old Mercedes. Can take him down. Wow, she needs a lot of work doing. And then, this is one we're going to be having a look at and featuring. Seriously dirty. But what a car. Look at the lines on this. Beautiful car. What a machine. Look at her inside. Wow. Beautifully renovated. So it's wonderful smell about it as well. It's just so big. If you look at the inside of it at the back, just so large. It just keeps on going, that big back window. With all the central sections, stunning. And those gauges and the steering wheel, everything just suits its car perfectly. Really pretty.